Welcome to Blackjack Special.
Yo, 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 you know what it is, you know who it is, Blackjack Special, back with another video for you guys today. So this video is going to be more like an update. So recently got these bigger brakes for my car. I've been talking about them in previous videos, saying how I want to get these brakes, blah, blah, blah. So I finally got them. They're made by a company called Ceika. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys what the brakes look like, maybe just do a little comparison to show you guys the difference between the OEM size brakes and these aftermarket brakes. And also maybe some information if you guys want to go the same route, or if you guys do, you can always leave a comment. Just mount up the brake here. You know, I still have the OEM Akabona big brake kit there. I just wanted to see if my wheels will fit. Let me show you guys the wheels. These are my summer wheels. I've been running for a while. I love these wheels so much. I love the design. I love everything about them. What I wanted to do this summer was I was planning on just painting them black or something. Maybe just inside black, leaving lip chrome, paint the calipers purple to match the engine. I was fortunate enough to get a nice deal on these bigger brake kit, and I am planning on boosting the car in a year or two. So I'm like, you know what? I will probably eventually need some better brakes, right? So why not take the opportunity to buy these brakes, because now they're available. I might not get another opportunity to get these brakes for this price, right? So yeah, I went ahead and copped the brakes, and I'm like, you know what? I want to throw them on right now, but I want to make sure that it can fit, right? And I had a feeling it won't fit because these brakes, they're massive. I'll show you guys a comparison and everything. But yeah, they don't fit, right? They don't fit. So they don't fit my stock wheels. They don't fit my aftermarket wheels. I mean, they don't fit my summer wheels, whatever. So yeah. So now what I'm gonna do, I actually got another offer to buy the wheels that used to be on the same G37 with these brakes. So the whole setup pretty much. So I'm gonna end up buying the full setup, the wheels and the brakes, right? These things are massive. So these are the front rotors right here, two-piece rotors. How big they are, I'll drop some information up here, the size and everything. But yeah, this is the caliper here. You guys, what it looks like, Ceika. Right, these things are massive, man. Like, I mean, they're huge. So looking at this brake right here, it's different from the OEM brake caliper. Okay, phone's about to die. Anyways, so they mount a little bit different. So that's why you have these brackets right here. So that's how you're gonna able to fit these brakes. Okay, I'm sure it comes with the brackets. So these are the brackets for the front. I know I'm only showing you one rotor. I have the other one in the back of the car, obviously. So these are the fronts. These are the rears. Two-piece rotors. And again, the brackets to mount the caliper onto the car, because these brakes mount different. The holes are right here in the bottom. Yeah, guys, so this is what it looks like. Oh my God. They're huge, man. They're huge. So the problem I'm having now, so what I was doing today was I was actually trying to do a test fit. So what I did was I removed my OEM calipers, which is actually a bigger upgrade. It's the Akabona big brake kit that I have on my car, which is decent. But I'm sure these are gonna be a lot better. So anyways, so I tried to do a test fit to see if my stock wheels, which are on the car right now, or my summer wheels will actually fit these calipers, but they don't fit. So they don't fit. So now I'm gonna have to purchase another set of wheels for this car. So that's another thing. So if you're planning on getting bigger brakes, just remember your rims that you have might not fit. So that's another thing. Plan to buy wheels as well when you buy your brakes. Okay? So yeah, guys, these are my wheels that I wanted to throw on. Not able to do that. Thing I want to do to this car is I want to get at least a splitter for the front and get some splitters for the side. Make the side skirts pop out a little bit more, or get some side skirts. And I'm planning on doing a rear diffuser for the back. So yeah, guys, these are the other two. So these are the rears and the other two for the front. And there it is here, front and rear again. Okay, so just a quick update for you guys. Next video I'll drop, I want to go over some things with you guys about RPM. How am I able to rev to 85? I want to be talking about that in the next video, but this is just a quick short video on these brakes. If you guys want any information on these brakes, leave a comment, okay? About how I didn't put them on the car yet, but I can still answer a lot of questions, okay? If you guys have any. All right, so just look up the company, Ceika Brakes. They've been around for a while. They make a lot of brake system for a lot of guys that drift their cars, you know, etc. A lot of different applications. So, you know what I mean? Check them out if you guys are interested in getting the brakes. No sponsor or anything, but I'm just letting you guys know where I got my brakes from. So, I'm pretty sure these brakes are gonna be more than enough. All the brakes I'll ever need, right? So yeah, and once I boost the car, it will be good to get good brakes. I'd rather have too much brakes than not enough brakes, right? So that's just me. Just want to show you guys some other accessories. So that came in the box that I got from him, and these are the lines right here for the brakes. Ooh, nice. Very nice. Very nice. Right, so, you know. But yeah, guys, that's what it is. That's what it is. Ceika brakes, big brake kit. We got 8 pistons in the front, 6 pistons in the rear. We're gonna get rid of these Akabono big brake kit in the next couple of weeks. And I gotta decide what I'm gonna do with these OEM Akabono big brake kit. I was planning on doing a giveaway with them if I end up taking them off. If the channel at least hits like 500 subscribers, maybe I'll do a giveaway. That was just a quick update. I appreciate everyone who subscribed, the new subscribers. Welcome to the Blackjack Special family. You know what it is. And yeah, we're gonna get some more exciting videos for the channel. Any questions you guys have, any type of videos you guys wanna see, anything on the G, just leave a comment. All right, guys? One love.
Welcome to Blackjack Special.